India's corona count crosses 1,000 mark. Death toll rises to 27. The number of COVID-19 cases crossed 1,000 in India on Sunday, with the death toll rising to 27, according to the Union Health Ministry. The ministry reported 6 fresh deaths, 1 each, from Delhi, Gujarat, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, and Telangana. The number of deaths around the world from the novel coronavirus cases has crossed 30,000. Pakistani squash great Azam Khan has died of coronavirus in London, his family said. Azam, who won the British Open title successively between 1959 and 1961, he had tested positive for COVID-19 last week and died at London's Ealing Hospital on Saturday. Following officers who were responsible to ensure compliance to instructions issued by Chairperson, the National Executive Committee, formed under Disaster Management Act 2005 regarding containment of the spread of COVID-19, have prima facie failed to do so. MHS, one of the 3 trainees of Indian Forest Services IAFS, who had tested negative on 27th March, has tested positive today, reports ANI. With the launch of rockets on hold for the time being, Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO) is busy developing a simple-to-operate ventilator in order to meet the country's emergency demand for the key ICU medical equipment needed for critical COVID-19 patients. S. Somani, Director of Thiruvananthapuram-based Vikram Sarabhai Space Centre (VSSEC), told TOI, "We are designing the ventilator and making hand sanitizers and distributing them." Government sets up 11 empowered groups under the Disaster Management Act to identify problem areas and suggest solutions in the fight against COVID-19 pandemic. Disciplinary proceedings initiated against 4 officers of government of National Capital Territory of Delhi (GANC) for dereliction of duty regarding containment of the spread of COVID-19. 2 officers have been also suspended and served shock cause notice. Priyanka Gandhi urges telecom companies to provide free services to migrant laborers. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi called upon telecom companies to make their services free for a month to enable the poor migrant laborers reach out to their near and dear ones. In separate letters to Airtel Chief Sunil Bharti, Meetal, Reliance Chief Mukesh Ambani, and heads of BSNL and Vodafone, she highlighted the plight of lakhs of migrant laborers walking down to their native places without food, medicines and shelter. 2 new COVID-19 cases reported in Visakhapatnam today, taking total cases in Andhra Pradesh to 21, reports ANI. 275 Indian citizens evacuated from coronavirus hit Iran arrive in Rajasthan's Jodhpur, reports PTI quoting officials. Bihar migrants start reaching a relief camps. CM steps up efforts to rescue stranded workers. Around 8,000 to 10,000 migrant workers reached at different disaster border relief camps in Gopalganj, Saivan, Saran, Karma, and Bogaksa districts by end of the day. Majority of them reached through Beltharia checkpost in Gopalganj and Karmanasa checkpost in Karmar, a Home Department official told on Sunday. An army doctor in Kolkata and a junior commissioned officer JCO in Dehradun tested positive for COVID-19 on Sunday, increasing the cases of confirmed coronavirus cases in the over 13 lakhs force to 3 now. So far, 38 cases, 34 active, 2 recovered and 2 deaths have tested positive in J&K, said the administration. Health Ministry issues guidelines for disinfecting public places, do's and don'ts for elderly. In its guidelines on environment, cleaning, decontamination of public places in areas or reporting COVID-19, the ministry said outdoor areas have less risk than indoor areas due to air currents and exposure to sunlight. The 86-year-old was a cousin of Spain's King Felipe VI. Her brother, Prince Sixto Bourbon, the Duke of Orange, announced on Facebook that she died after contracting COVID-19. The Post reads, on this afternoon, our sister Maria Teresa de Bourbon Parma and Bourbon Burset, a victim of the coronavirus COVID-19, died in Paris at the age of 86. Congress workers distributed food packets among the needy people near Lady Harnage Medical College in Delhi. Virology Minal wholesale led from the front to create India's first coronavirus testing kit even when she was in the last stage of her pregnancy. Wholesale's efforts paid the price with her team delivering the testing kit in a record time of 6 weeks. Critical to set up defensive wall around key financial strategic institutions, says Rahul Gandhi. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Sunday pledged his support to the union government in tackling the colossal humanitarian crisis unfolding due to the coronavirus pandemic, but said, in a letter to PM Modi, that the government should consider taking a more nuanced and targeted approach to understanding the complex realities of our people. There are 901 active cases in India, while 96 have been cured, discharged, migrated. 27 deaths have been reported so far. Health Ministry death toll due to COVID-19 rises to 27, positive cases increase to 1,024.
Thank you for watching my video.